rain probability in Britain. Now it's quite high, proportionally compared to other countries, because there's a lot of southwest wind which comes over the Atlantic Ocean and bringing rain. Sometimes the wind is coming from the northwest, and that comes also over the ocean with Polar Maritime Air Masses. These were Tropical Maritime Air Masses, Polar Maritime Air Masses, and they're also wet and cold, bringing rain. Or they're coming from the other side. They can also come in Polar Continental Air Masses from Scandinavia, also cold, and going over the sea again, over the North Sea, and raining then down in the east, having picked up more air, more water again over the water, over the sea. Only if the wind comes from the continent, which is not oftentimes, the Tropical Continental Air Masses from Europe, from the continent, then they are dry and warm. All the other wind directions, the polar not so much, but oftentimes they are not so wet, but they are cold. All the other three ones, and predominantly one of the southwest, they are all coming over the ocean, picking over the ocean, the condensing, vaporizing water up, which is raining down on England, because in the western part of England it is raining more. England, Wales, and Scotland, and also in Ireland, because there are the Welsh mountains and the Pennines and the Scottish Highlands, and if the air masses are coming to the mountains, they have to go over the mountains. And if the air mass has to go over the mountains, it has to rise up. And when the air is rising up, it's cooling down. And when it's cooling down, the water in the air is condensing and falling down as relief rainfall. And also all these air masses of Britain, which are so much changing, they're oftentimes meeting there. And whenever two air masses meeting, the warmer one is pressed up, and it falls then also down as a frontal rainfall. So there's proportionally quite a lot of rain in Britain, according to Geography by Jane Ferretti and Brian Dressley on the page 35. The positions and views expressed are the ones of the source and don't necessarily align with my own or with the ones of the entity spoken.